Hey guys, what is up? We're here today. We're gonna try out the Galaxy Slime Starter Pack. It comes with just glue, but there is instructions on the back. I'm here with this Dunk, myself, obviously.
Dunk.
Yeah, Dunk. Try our own friendly recipes. Look at that. What do you know? There's recipes on how to do the slime. We have 2 containers, a small one and a big one. Sierra's gonna do the big one because she wanted to do the big one, right?
Yep.
Alright, so this is the starter pack that you could the pack that you could get at Walmart for how much? $7-8. It comes with 3 colors, 1 blue, 1 pink, and purple. Ingredients included. What's your thoughts about it, Sierra?
I've been wanting to make slime for the longest time. It's so satisfying. Really satisfying to play with.
Especially, there wasn't really anything at Target. Mainly the actual place that had it was back in at Walmart. So check out your local Walmart. I'm pretty sure they have it. Here's the ingredients. Oh yeah, if you guys like this duo, you know, with Sierra, me, get this video a like. Whatever, you guys find us, you know, subscribe, whatever. We're happy to do more videos of us messing around, doing whatever. If you guys want to see us do DIYs and fail miserably, go ahead and let us know. Alright, so what's the instructions, Sierra?
It says pour an entire bottle of Elmer's glue into the container. Which?
It's like, oh, you hear that? Oh!
What I have to do with every day.
Every day. Every day, guys.
Add 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda.
Well, basically, this is a DIY kit. Basically, this is a DIY. But, you know, you could just go out and buy the glue, buy all this stuff together. But we kind of decided to buy the glue instead. But, you know, it tells you what you need to get, what's the instructions, and how to do everything on that box. So that's why I find it pretty useful instead.
So it's gonna look like that. Oh.
Alright, Sierra. So what's the point of mixing the baking powder in this?
To thicken it. I don't know.
To thicken it?
To thicken it.
Oh, cool.
Because you can feel it getting thicker.
It is getting thicker. So it's a half a tablespoon, and we're starting to mix it in, right? It is actually getting thicker. Thinner. It's starting to get thicker. Oh.
1 1/4 tablespoon of contact lenses. Mix until mixture gets harder to mix and slime begins to form. Then it says, take the slime out and begin kneading with both of your hands.
Alright, so how long are we supposed to knead it for? What do you mean you don't know? Does it say on the box?
Nope. Like, look at how his is sticky on his hands. Mine's not like that anymore, see? It's coming off, it's like stickiness. It's a slime. Stop!
Spoon against the slime.
Woo!
Like, listen to that. It's just...
This is what the look David gave me when he's jealous. It looks exactly how it is in the box. See?
How slimy you want it. It's obviously all on preference. Wherever you like it. You like it really slimy. If you want it to like fall everywhere and play with it, that's all up to you. Of course, Sierra wants it like a... If you feel like this video was fun, you know, to watch or whatever, give us a thumbs up. You know, subscribe if you want to like stay tuned. Alright guys,